to keep your home safe. In today's world, keeping your home safe is more critical than ever. One of the easiest ways to upgrade your home security is by installing a smart doorbell. These devices combine convenience and protection, giving you the power to monitor who's at your door anytime, anywhere. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the best smart doorbells that not only keep your home secure, but also fit different budgets and preferences. Why invest in a smart doorbell? Gone are the days of traditional doorbells. Smart doorbells are more than just buzzers. They're advanced security gadgets equipped with HD cameras, motion detection, two-way communication, and even night vision. They offer peace of mind by letting you monitor your front door in real time through your smartphone or smart home device. With features like motion alerts and video recording, you'll always know who's at your door, whether you're at work or on vacation. Moreover, these doorbells act as a deterrent to package thieves and unwanted visitors. Top features to look for in a smart doorbell. Before we dive into our list of the best smart doorbells, let's highlight some key features you should consider. Video quality. Clear HD resolution for day and night monitoring. Two-way audio. Talk to visitors through your phone. Motion detection. Get instant alerts when someone approaches. Cloud storage versus local storage. Choose how you store your footage. Smart home compatibility. Ensure it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. The best smart doorbells of 2025. Let's break down the top smart doorbells on the market, comparing their features, pros and cons. 1. Ring Video Doorbell. Best overall price. Key features. 1080p HD video with night vision, motion detection and customizable alerts, two-way talk with noise cancellation, compatible with Alexa. The Ring Video Doorbell 4 stands out for its reliable performance and seamless integration with Amazon Alexa. It offers crisp video quality and customizable motion zones to reduce false alerts. If you want a well-rounded option, this one's hard to beat. 2. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Best for video quality. Key features. 1536p resolution for a wider field of view. Built-in siren for extra security. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. Weather resistant. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell delivers stunning video quality, ensuring you won't miss a detail. Its built-in siren can scare off intruders, making it an excellent choice for enhanced home protection. 3. Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K. Best for local storage. Key features. 2K resolution for ultra-clear video subscription fees, local storage option, A-pipe human detection, integration with Alexa and Google Assistant. If you're tired of monthly subscriptions, the Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K is a great pick. It offers high-quality footage and stores your data locally, keeping it safe and accessible without added costs. How to choose the right smart doorbell for you. When selecting the perfect smart doorbell, consider your needs and preferences. If you're focused on video quality, the Arlo Essential might be your best bet. For those who want to avoid cloud storage fees, Eufy Security is a no-brainer. Also, keep in mind your home's existing setup. Some doorbells are battery-operated, while others require hardwiring. Make sure your choice is compatible with your home's wiring and Wi-Fi network. Installation tips for smart doorbells. Installing a smart doorbell is simpler than you might think, but here are a few tips to ensure success. 1. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. A strong connection ensures smooth video streaming. 2. Position the doorbell correctly. Place it at eye level for the best view. 3. Follow manufacturer instructions. Each brand has specific setup steps, so be sure to follow them closely. Maintaining your smart doorbell. Once your smart doorbell is installed, regular maintenance will keep it running smoothly. Clean the camera lens periodically to ensure clear footage and update the firmware for the latest features and security improvements. Conclusion. A smart doorbell is a game-changer for home security. With advanced features like HD video, two-way communication, and motion detection, you can protect your home like never before. Whether you choose the Ring Video Doorbell 4, Arlo Essential, or Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K, there's a smart doorbell out there to suit every home and budget. Ready to upgrade your home security? Explore the options above and choose the best smart doorbell for your needs today.